Welcome to the balloon popping challenge. This challenge is basically popping balloons together. And it's gonna be Mama B and I against the monkeys. Woo! So we're basically gonna have the first ones to pop 5 balloons wins. No timer, we're just gonna be popping balloons. I think that our size is definitely going to have an advantage here. Just want to thank Johnson & Johnson for encouraging us to unplug and play. Be safe and have lots of fun, get some fresh air, get out here and pop some balloons. So let's do this. You guys ready?
Yeah!
Woo! This is a simple game. Basically, we're gonna pop balloons and we have to use each other. On the count of 3, we're gonna start. 1, 2, 3. We gotta stop each other.
Go get the fence.
3! Four! We got that. 4! 5! 5 balloons! Too bad we got 5. You gotta go faster than that. I know there's gonna be controversy, but we won the balloon popping challenge. Woo! We won this one. Parents! Parents! Parents!
Bam!
Good job. Let that be a lesson in speed. So there's a technique in winning the balloon challenge, and it's all about speed because you gotta have this.
Mr. Scientist.
Thank you very much for watching. We're outside, we're sweating, we're having fun. Thank you guys. Why don't you guys have your own balloon popping challenge? Post it. We want to check it out and have fun. Woo! Peace out.
Yeah, y'all. Yeah, y'all. Yeah, y'all.